You know, I'm fine with it, man. Like, yeah, I got a bunch of weird stuff in my house, and I don't like when people point it out. I'm a little insecure about it. You know, when the furnace guy came into my house to look at my furnace, and the first thing he said is, "Boy, you got a bunch of weird shit in here." Hey, fuck you, furnace guy. What are you into? Furnaces? That's sort of weird. You're weird. You got like 4 furnaces in your house? That's a hot ass house. Fuck you, furnace guy.